After the review meeting of 13th May 2021, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestun Tinsong, informed the media that the lockdown in the entire East Khasi Hills district has been extended to 5 a.m. of the 24th of May 2021. The government had also taken a decision on the requirement of community quarantine centres across the state. Speaking at the press briefing, Prestun Tinsong informed that cluster or community quarantine centres across all districts of Meghalaya would be revived, and the deputy commissioners of these districts have been entrusted with the responsibility of coordinating with such centres whenever the need arises. Further, Tinsong informed that such centres would cater to positive cases that are asymptomatic or those that fall under Category A and Category B, where apart from isolation, hospitalization or treatment is not required.
The lockdown that we decided was for 3 places. One is Shillong agglomeration, 2 is Jowai town, 3 is Tura town. But beyond that is this. The lockdown that we have decided last time, as far as East Khasi Hills is concerned, is hereby extended up to 24th of this month, 5 a.m. in the morning. And the rest, the other places, the other districts, we already authorized deputy commissioners to take necessary action and necessary decision according to the situation. The next decision that we taken today in the review meeting is, I think you all remember last year we used to have the cluster or community quarantine centers. That time we call cluster or community quarantine centers. So this time we decided in the review meeting, that cluster or community isolation center will be created in every district. Up to the community level, depending upon the situation, depending upon the requirement, and this decision is now being communicated to all the deputy commissioners for necessary action.
The Deputy Chief Minister also announced the arrival of oxygen generators to be installed in the 3 district headquarters of Tura, Nongpoh and Jowai. These generators are expected to reach the state in a week's time and would be immediately installed on arrival.
Oxygen generator of 3 district headquarters. Number 1 for Tura, number 2 for Jowai, and number 3 for Nongpoh is now already on the way. Hopefully within a week's time, these generators will reach the state, and the moment these generator reaches the state, we are going to install immediately. In these 3 district headquarters.
At a media briefing held today, an update of the current COVID active cases in the state was delivered by the Director of Health Services, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Aman War.
The number of new cases today is 591. The number of recovered cases is 228. Total number of active cases as of today is 3,726. Out of this, East Khasi Hills 2,121. Ribhoi 502. And the total number of deaths from yesterday evening till today afternoon is 18. And out of this 18, East Khasi Hills 16, East Jaintia Hills 1, and West Jaintia Hills 1.